In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the slope to find a missing coordinate. If the slope of the line passing through the points -5, 6 and 5y is -4/5, find y. So first of all, it says the slope, if the slope of the line, blah, 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 is -4/5. If the slope of the line, blah, 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 is -4/5. So the slope is -4/5. Whenever you see in a problem that is giving you the slope, write it down, label it M. So I know that the M is -4/5. I also know that this would be x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's plug it into the slope formula and see what we can do with that. So the slope is -4/5 equals y2 we don't know. That's the one we're trying to find. So I'm just going to put a y there. y1 we do know, that's a 6, over x2 is 5, and then x1 is -5. And again, remember to put the double negative there, but I'm going to change it to a +5 now. Now before we go any further, let's plot this point, -5, 6 here. And the slope is -4/5. So I know it's going to be somewhere down here because my x is 5, so it's going to be somewhere down here. Now you could do the slope -4/5 to find it, and we're going to do that in a minute. But most of you are not going to have, on this kind of question, you're not going to have graph paper available, and honestly, you're not going to go find it and do it and use it to do this problem. You're going to do it this way probably because it's going to take a little less time. So let's do this. So let's simplify what we know. This looks scary, but we can handle this. We're good to go. So 5 + 5 is 10. Got it, done. Now to solve this, we're going to multiply by, you could just multiply by 10. I'm going to multiply by all the denominators because that's just easy. If you don't know the least common multiple of 5 and 10, you can just multiply by the denominators and it'll take care of it. So the 5s will cancel and give me -40. And then the 10s will cancel. And then we just need to distribute 5 into the parentheses. So 5y minus 30. And then you know how to solve this. We move this over to the other side of the equal sign. So -40 plus 30 equals 5y. I'm going to have to jump over here to get some more room. -10 equals 5y. That's -40 plus 30, just simplifying. And then divide both sides by 5. So -2 equals y. And that's my answer. It says find y. I did. There it is. So my answer is -2. So that means 5 -2 is the answer to my question. Well, not 5 -2. 5 -2 is the missing point. It's the point, the other incomplete point. So just to check and make sure we're doing this right, it has the slope of this line should be -4/5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has a rise of 4, so my up and down, my vertical change is 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ha! How about that? How about them apples? I got it right because I landed on that point. Let's do another one. If the slope of the line passing through the points -3, -2, and x6 is 2, find x. If the slope of the line is 2. So remember what I said, if it tells you what the slope is, write that down. And then we're going to plug in our points. And we're going to solve our equation. That's all. These are 2's. I got so excited. All right, so m is 2 equals y2 is 6, y1 is -2, x2 we don't know, so we're going to put x. x1 is -3, so it's minus a -3, so I'm going to put +3. Is that okay? Okay. should have done that up there too. We do that up there too. There. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is, yet again, I did not leave. I should have been writing this over here. 8 over x plus 3. Now, just like on the last one, we're going to multiply by the denominator, but we got to multiply by the whole thing. I'm going to put it in parentheses because it's terms. It's going to cancel over here, and over here we're going to distribute the 2 into the parentheses. So you're going to have 2x plus 6 equals 8. So 2x equals 8 minus 6. So 2x equals 2. So x equals 1. So 1, 6 is my point. So just checking my work. 1, 6, that's that point. -3, -2 is that point. Up to over 1. So up to over 1, up to over 1, up to over 1, up to, I got there. Excellent. So my answer is, in fact, x equals 1. So to find x, I did. There it is. Now you know how to find slope, or how to find a missing coordinate using slope.